Very short answer type question of chapter 7, class 7. Question 1. Define weather. Answer is state of the atmosphere at a place and time as regards heat, dryness, cloudiness, sunshine, wind, rain, etc. It is called weather. Or you can say weather is the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere at a place and time with regard to different elements of weather like heat, temperature, wind speed, etc. Question number 2. When are maximum and minimum temperature recorded? When are maximum and minimum temperature recorded? Recorded. It is not recorded, recorded. Come to its answer. Maximum temperature is recorded during midday, means 12 o'clock. And minimum temperature is recorded during midnight, means 12 at night. Okay. Maximum temperature, this is recorded during midday, and minimum temperature during midnight. Question number 3. Name two places in India having hot and wet climate. Its answer is simple: Mumbai and Chennai. You can write any two places whose temperature remains high and rainfall is also maximum. Now come to question number 4. Why is Arctic region sparsely populated? Sparsely populated means less population. Now come to its answer. As the normal winter temperature are as low as minus 40 degrees Celsius, while the warmest month of June has a temperature of about 10 degrees Celsius. Or you can say this place has cold climatic condition. In winter, the temperature become very low and it is minus 40 degree. And in the month of summer, that is June, the maximum temperature recorded, this is only 10 degree Celsius. So this region has cold climatic condition. Question number 5. What is migration? Some birds migrate and fly thousands of miles to warmer climates or colder climate to avoid harsh climatic condition. So that is called migration. Migration means animals moves to some other place to avoid unfavorable climatic conditions or in search of food or to breed. So this process is called migration. Question number 6. Name two animals that migrate. Very simple. Answer is Siberian crane, penguins. Siberian crane, penguins, monarch butterfly. You may write that. Question number 7. Where are penguins found? Penguins are birds most closely identified with the Antarctic region. Means they are found in the Antarctic regions. Question 8. Name some arboreal animals of the tropical rainforest. Its answer is arboreal means the animals which spend a lot of time on the tree. Its answer is monkeys, lemurs, apes and orangutan. These animals are arboreal in the tropical rainforest. Now question number 9. What is vertical habitat? The way in which vegetation is arranged in three-dimensional space. So that arrangement is called vertical habitat. Now come to question 10. What do you mean by prehensile? Its answer is prehensile means able to grasp, or we can say able to hold something.